Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Google Calendar for time blocking and productivity techniques. So before start of the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically, if you want to repeat a specific event on every weekday, you can use the time blocking method. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to start an event from 16th of June. So I will just basically add this event here, and I will mark as that important hours and don't disturb. So maybe you don't want to get disturbed on daily basis in these specific hours here, then you can add this event here. And if you are basically uh, having these hours on daily basis, then you can use this time blocking technique. So first of all, you need to give a name to your event here. Then here you will click on add time, and then basically you want to add a certain amount of hours that you don't want to get disturbed on. So maybe on daily basis, I don't want to get disturbed from maybe like 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, you like between this time you don't want to get disturbed. You don't want to get any kind of invitations from events or any kind of invitations from meetings as well. And then here you can see that it is saying that does not repeat. Now if you want this to be repeat daily basis, then here you will select this option where it says every weekday, Monday to Friday. So when you will select on this one, and now basically if you want, you can basically add your team members here so that they can see this event here and they will not disturb you or daily on between these hours here. And then if you want, you can add a location. If you want, you can add a description, and then you will select the specific calendar here where you want to add this event to. And then in your availability here, of course you will set it to busy, because you will be busy between these hours. And then you will just save it. And now here you can see that it is automatically like all of the events are automatically created on these weekdays except except Saturday and Sunday. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.